Now, be honest. How many of you have ever tried to write a love letter where the other side thought this was dictating terms? When it comes to leases, the fine print can sometimes hide a heartbreaker. Hey, dedicated investors, I'm Amit Grover and this is ECMP Studios. Today, we are unpacking the legal aspects of leasing. Understanding this legal framework is essential, not just to keep your business safe, but to ensure that the lease you sign is as beneficial as possible. Navigating the legal landscape of leases involves several key areas. Number one, lease type clarification. Each lease type, whether it's a gross lease, net lease, or modified gross. By the way, click on the hyperlink below to go to see the differences. All of these come with a specific legal obligation and rights. Knowing these can prevent conflicts. Next, use clause. This clause defines what you can and cannot do with the lease space. It's crucial to ensure that your intended use is not only allowed, but also protected under the lease terms. Next, alterations and improvements. Before you plan any renovations or improvements, understand the legal stipulations. Some leases require landlord approval, and most will dictate who owns these improvements at the end of the lease term. Now next, compliance with laws. The lease should specify who is responsible for maintaining compliance with local, state, and federal regulations, including building codes and environmental laws, and finally, accessibility requirements. Next, dispute resolution. It's important to have a clear understanding of how disputes related to the lease will be handled, including the processes and jurisdictions involved. Lease agreements can be as complex as any relationships. So knowing these legalities is like having a relationship agreement that keeps both parties happy. What legal challenges have you encountered in leasing? Share your experiences and how you handled those in the comments below. Next, we will discuss tenant improvements and concessions. Making your lease space work for you often involves customizations, and knowing how to negotiate these can make all the difference. Guys, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more valuable insights here at ECMP Studios. Let's keep learning, keep planning, and as always, keep it real. Stay